Welcome to Teacher Rai Matrix and Tutorials. And for today's tutorial, we are going to multiply two-digit numbers. For instance, we have 13 times 13. So simply multiply the ones digit, 3 times 3, that is 9, and then cross multiply. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3, and then add. 3 plus 3 is 6, and then multiply the tens digit. 1 times 1 is 1. The answer is 169. Another example. Say for instance, 25 times 36. So multiply the ones digit. 5 times 6. The answer is 30. You just have to write the 0 and carry 3. Carry 3. And then cross multiply. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. And then add 12 plus 15. That's 27 plus the carry 3. That is 30. You have to write only 0 here and carry again 3. And then multiply the tens digit. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer is 900. Follow for more videos.